This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Lala. Freshly painted second floor unit in Prime Schaumburg Location in Dunbar Lakes. Meticulously clean and well maintained end unit. Open floor plan has kitchen with stainless steel appliances overlooking dinette and living room. Master bedroom with private half bath and walk-in closet. Second bedroom also has a walk-in closet. In-unit laundry, garage parking, clubhouse, pool, party room. Private entrance attached to one-car garage. Walk to park, tennis courts, clubhouse and pool. Highly rated schools and walking distance to Conant High School. Close to Woodfield Mall and Highways. For more information, review the details below or contact Lala at 708-583.